Hello dear gardeners, welcome to this episode of Gardening Escape. Today I will show you how to prepare miracle fertilizer for maximum blooms on Mogra or Arabian Jasmine plants. Mogra or Arabian Jasmine blooms all throughout the year and are produced in clusters of 3 to 12 flowers together at the end of branches. To continue producing enormous amount of flowers, it constantly needs energy. This is why proper and regular feeding is very important. Like any other plant, Mogra needs N, P and K for good health. As a source of these macro elements, I like to use both organic and inorganic fertilizers. The end product I get after mixing all these together acts as balanced feed and keeps feeding my plants for a long time. Here in these bowls, I have mustard cake powder, neem cake powder and bone meal as organic source of NPK. These are naturally slow release fertilizer, so they will keep providing food as they break down. As inorganic source of NPK, I have DAP, sulfate of potash in these bowls. Also there are magnesium sulfate and micronutrients in other two bowls. These things provide quick food as they break down fast. To prepare the mixture, I will take a big container like this. Now take 8 to 10 tablespoons of mustard cake powder, that will be around 50 grams. 4 to 5 tablespoons of bone meal or roughly 25 grams of it. And 3 tablespoons of neem cake powder, that's around 15 grams in weight. Along with these, take 5 grams of DAP, 2 grams of magnesium sulfate, 2 grams of sulfate of potash and 1 gram of micronutrients into the bowl. Properly mix all these elements together with a spoon. This 100 grams of fertilizer mix contains all the essential elements needed for good vegetative growth and enormous flowering. For one 10-inch pot, apply 25 grams of this blended fertilizer. Gently rake the soil around the plant and apply plenty of water. After 7 to 10 days, the fertilizer will start showing its impact on the plants. So start preparing your own fertilizer mix in this process and share your reviews with me. Press the like button and share the video if you think this is worth watching. Thanks guys, stay fit and happy gardening.